to a fork in the road, stuck in the middle, trying to find all the answers to all the life's riddles. Come to a fork in the road, stuck in the middle, trying to find all the answers to all the life's riddles.
What's good, people? Back with another video, so you know it's that time. Let you know what's on my mind. If you enjoy the content, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out the other videos when you got time. If you watching this video, then more than likely you trying to attain some type of knowledge or some type of wisdom or some type of input on a situation in your life that you may feel like you need to improve in whatever way. You know, you looking to gain something from it, you know what I'm saying? Because just typical people don't click on these type of videos. These ain't no clickbaity ass gossipy type videos, you know what I'm saying? I could do that, but that ain't, I don't rock like that, you know? So the thing is, for lack of better terms, you want some type of journey, whether it be a journey for self-improvement, a spiritual journey, or whatever it is, you know? The reason why videos and stuff like this is important because it helps us get through things, you know what I'm saying? It gives us the information that we're looking for, because we all know that these journeys get hard, you know, just the journey of life in general. You know, it get hard, man, when you're trying to conquer yourself, the best way to put it, you know, and you trying to improve who you are as a person, or you trying to be, you know, stop blaming yourself for past mistakes. You trying to overcome depression. You trying to build yourself up and rebuild yourself and figure out who it is that you are to yourself and to the world also. You know, it get hard, man, you know what I'm saying? Especially very hard in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? Because it seems like once you try to change your life and try to do things for the better, it seems like stuff getting harder. But there's just be those tests that come at you, because those are the things that you need to learn. You know, you said you want to, it's like, you know, you telling the universe, you telling God, man, I want to change my life, I want to do better, you know what I'm saying? Or I want this to improve about my life. Then you get, as soon as you say that, you start getting hit with things, you know what I'm saying? But those things are coming to help you improve, and it's making you stronger to get to where it is that you said you wanted to do and the changes that you wanted to make. So that's why they come. But the thing about it, man, look, your spiritual journey, your journey for self-discovery, your life journey, it get easier with practice. You know, the more that you practice meditation, the more that you practice mindfulness, the more that you practice controlling your dominant thoughts, you know, the more that you practice or partaking in more physical activity. Anything you do with enough practice, you eventually become, if not good at it, you can become sufficient at it. But with this spiritual journey, man, it get easier as it go along, man. Life don't get easier, but because you change your outlook on the journey, you know, that helps it get easier. You know what I'm saying? That helps you handle situations easier. They don't seem to be as pressing on you as they used to be. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't practice mindfulness. You don't practice appreciation and gratefulness no matter the situation. You know what I'm saying? So those things, building those skills and building those mind frames help you through the things that happen in life. Like I said, life don't get easier, just you be able to handle it better. Second thing is you gotta master the art of alchemy, man, the power of alchemy. Alchemy is turning copper into gold. You know what I'm saying? Turning copper into gold. You gotta learn how to do that. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta learn how to take the situations that could have been something bad for you, which might have been something bad for you, and take the positive from it and turn it to a positive. You know what I'm saying? That's the power of alchemy, man. You gotta know how to switch it, switch your perception on it, and then switch your actions on it. And then you can take those situations and learn from them and build upon them and turn them into a positive for you. You know, you just gotta be able to identify the thing that you can take from it to make it a positive. Then a lot of times you get your hardest test right before you pass on to the next stage, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of times in situations it could have seemed like it's the worst thing happening, but at the end of the day, it ended up being the best thing happening for you. And then next is just living a life of stoicism, man. Living a life of being even keel, you know, and accept that life has its hardships and you only can control what you can control, and you're gonna be, you know, have a positive mind frame about the rest, and you're not gonna be swayed either way. You know what I'm saying? You don't live in a life of extreme feelings. You know, I do a video on Stoicism and, you know, how I incorporate Stoicism in my life. Also too coming up, but other than that, man, just remember that, you know, anything worth working for, you know, is worth having, you know, and our life is worth having. You know, the journey get hard, we get pressed, sometimes we feel like we ain't gonna make it, but it get easier for you to handle, you know, the more that you grow and build yourself up, put on your spiritual armor, you know, and strengthen your mindset, you know, and you can make it, man. You can make it point blank, period. No matter what nobody tell you. Fuck what they say. Other than that, that's today's video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Check out the other videos also. Link in the description for the teas if you're interested. And until next video, stay on your grind. Let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. Until next video, I'm gone. Peace, love, out of here.
But either way the story goes, I bet you I'm a